Good day. So we are group 9. The experiment we conducted is M3, which is belt friction experiment. The objective of this experiment is to determine the coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley. So this is the tools and apparatus that we use in this experiment. So the first is the pulley and stud, which is the main component in this experiment. And next we have V-shaped belt, flat belt, and we also have a set of slotted weight which range from 0.1 Newton until 1 Newton. And lastly, we have 2 pieces of load hangers. So the independent variable in this experiment is the loads on the belt. The dependent variable is loads on the torque hanger, and the constant variables for this experiment is the type of belt used and the pulley diameter. So let's move on to the procedure, starting with the step 1. Decide the angle theta and screw the stud which attach with the belt to the mounting hole based on the chosen angle. Next, we hang a load hanger at the end of the belt with the chosen loads. Afterward, we hang another load hanger at the hook end of the cord. Step number 4, small weight is added on the torque hanger, which is load hanger at the cord, one by one until the load on the hanger is able to rotate the pulley. Step number 5. In order to obtain more accurate result, the last weight added on the hanger that causes the pulley to rotate is reduced with a smaller weight which can cause the rotation. And step number 6, the tension in the belt is recorded in the table as shown. Step number 7, the step number 2 until number 6 are repeated for a few more load increment at the end of the belt. Afterward, decide another angle theta and repeat the whole experiment. So this is the result that we obtained from the experiment. So we have one table for the flat belt data and another one for the V-shaped belt. From the tabulated data, we can see that as the load on the belt increases, the load needed to produce torque also increases. This shows that more force is required to overcome friction when belt carries a heavier load. Furthermore, as the angle of the contact increases, the load required to produce the same torque will decreases. Safety is the top priority in conducting the experiment. So the general rules everyone need to follow is to wear a suitable clothing including footwear when entering lab, and secondly to leave the workstation clean and in good order after experiment. As for the belt friction experiment, make sure to add and remove weights carefully to avoid dropping them. Then make sure the weights are stable before releasing your hand. The SDG related with this experiment is the SDG 9, which is Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. Friction belts play an important role in many mechanical systems used in industries. By understanding mechanical friction through the friction belt experiment, we learned how to design more efficient and reliable industrial systems, such as conveyors and power transmission mechanism. That's all from us. Thank you.